Dear children, happy to see you all again. Today we are going to see 4th standard term 3 English. In that we are going to see unit 1 named the best policy.
Honesty means what? First one, being truthful to others. Second, being truthful to yourself. Third, doing what right regardless of who's around. Fourth one, being someone others can trust. Let us see more about honesty. A major component for developing moral character is honesty. Honesty helps in developing good attributes like kindness, discipline, truthfulness, moral integrity, and more. Lying, cheating, lack of trust, steal, greed, and other immoral attributes have no part in honesty. So now you all understand what is honesty. Being honesty is very great thing, children.
So children, now we can see the prose named the 7 seeds. Long ago, there was a kingdom at the foothills of Animalai. The kingdom flourished in trade and arts under the rule of their king's rule. He was respected and revered by all. It has been 30 years under his rule now. One day, the aging king woke up worried. He was getting very old and had no heir to take his place. So he decided to adopt and raise a child as the heir, but he knew that the adopted child must be honest. To find the child, he held a competition in his kingdom that was open to all. The competition had many levels and spanned for nearly 6 months. At the end of it, 5 boys and 5 girls made it to the very last round. There seemed little to separate them. Each one of them was intelligent, strong, and capable. The king said, I have one last test for you all. The one who passes this test will be the winner. As you all know, the winner will be the heir to my throne. And he also said, our kingdom depends on agriculture, so the new leader must know how to grow plants. Here are 7 seeds of wheat for each of you. Take them home. Plant and neuter them for 6 weeks. At the end of the 6th week, we shall see who has done the best job of nurturing them. That person will be the heir to my throne. The children took their seeds and hurried home. They all got apart. prepared some soil, and sowed their seeds. The entire kingdom was excited. They were all anxious to see who the next king would be. One of the finalists was Annie. The days stretched into weeks, but the seeds failed to sprout. Annie did not know what had gone wrong. Annie and her parents were heartbroken. She had selected the soil with care, put the right manure, and very dutifully watered it. She had even prayed over it day and night, and yet her seeds had not grown at all. Some of her friends advised her to go and buy seeds from the market and plant them. After all, they said, how can anyone tell if they were the same seeds? But Annie did not do like that. Annie's parents had always taught her the value of honesty. They reminded her that if the king wanted them to plant just any wheat, he would have asked them to get their seeds. If you use anything different from what the king gave, that would be dishonest. Maybe you are not destined for the throne. If so, let it be. But it would be wrong to cheat the king, they told her. Annie also agreed it. It had been 6 weeks now. The much awaited day had come. The children returned to the palace, each of them proudly carrying a pot of healthy seedlings. It was obvious that the other 9 had great success with their seeds. The king arrived. He was beaming and looking at the children and their pot of the healthy seedlings. He began walking along the line of pots the children had kept. He asked each of them, is this what grew from the seeds I gave you? And each of them responded, yes, your majesty. Then the king would nod and move down the line. The king finally got to the last one, Annie. The girl was shaking. She feared that the king might have thrown her into prison for wasting his precious seeds. What did you do with the seeds I gave you? The king asked. Your Majesty, I planted them and cared for them every day. I am sorry, but they failed to sprout, said Annie. She hung her head in shame. Boo, gee, the crowd. But the king raised his hands and signaled for silence. Then he said, Dear people, behold my heir, the next leader of our kingdom. The people were confused. Why that girl? How can she be the right choice? The king took his place on his throne with Annie by his side and said, I gave each of them 7 seats. This test was not for growing wheat. It was a test of character, a test of honesty. If a leader must have one quality, it must be that he or she should be honest. People should be able to trust the leader. Only this girl passed the test. I gave boiled seeds, and boiled seeds cannot grow. So, children, from this lesson, we learn the value of being honest. If we always true to ourselves and others, definitely one day we will succeed in our life like Annie. So, always be honest and truthful. Thank you, children.